Hello friends, in this video you will learn about introduction of JavaScript in HTML. We'll discuss these topics. Those are what is JS, where to and how to use JS and output of JS. First, what is JS? JavaScript is most popular programming language in web. With the using of JS, you can change the elements in HTML. And where to use JS? You can use this JavaScript part in between head tags or in between body tags. How to use JS? There is two types. One is internal use, another one is external use. The internal use is you can create script tags. You can write the JS code in between script tags. That is internal use of this HTML. If you want to use external JS, you need to create a file with the extension of JS.js and link with a script. You need to link this JS with this HTML with using of script source. See the output. There are four types of their outputs. One is internal HTML. This is about content of the particular element. So second one is document write. This is using for testing purpose. And third one is window alert. When the window is open, this window alert will be appears. And last one is console log. This is using for debugging purpose. So first comes to the this output. To get this output, see we are creating P paragraph. This is paragraph. To access this paragraph with JS, we need to create class or ID. So I am creating ID with the value ID 001. See when this is getting affected, if you want to make this element effect, we need to create the function about this paragraph. For that reason, you are using one button. When this button is clicked, then the function is calling on click our function. See, this function is created. Write the name. Mouse button is click me. Click me is created. When you clicking this button, this function is calling. So, where this function is there, write the script. In this script, the function is calling function, our function. This function is calling with this button. Then this is executed. That is document. To get access that element, document get element by ID. You can get the element by the class name. We are going to get the element with get element by ID. You can use double quotes or single quotes in this method. This is ID 001. First, we change the content with inner HTML. See, this is new paragraph. When we are clicking this button, this paragraph changes to new paragraph like this. See, this is changing to new paragraph. This is internal use. So how to use externally? See, taking this part, putting it in javascript.js file, same folder of HTML file. It is also in same folder. Paste it, create the link with source attribute. Source javascript.js. See, click it. This is also working. New paragraph means this JS file is linked with HTML file. That's why this paragraph changed to new paragraph. Then comes to the other one is window alert. See how the window alert will work. You can use window alert in between scripts. Window alert. Are you ready to learn? See, when this take this part in this JS file and save this file. See, this notification is coming. Are you ready to learn? This window alert is coming. And two more things. Those are document type. Document variety is using for testing purpose and console log also there in output that is used for debugging purpose. So this is the JavaScript introduction. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.